Hi friends, today we are going to talk about a topic that people often hesitate to discuss, even in closed rooms. But listen carefully because this is about the quality of your life and your self-confidence. In today's fast-paced life, when we get tired, its effect is not only on our bodies, but also on our personal lives and our relationships. Many men are going through a problem called erectile dysfunction. I have seen that people suffer silently because of this, as if they are carrying a burden, but I want to tell you to chill out, calm down, because all of this is normal. As age increases, a decrease in stamina or a drop in energy levels is a natural process. But should we live with this defeat? Absolutely not. Today we are talking about Aizen power. Imagine, what if you find a path that is completely natural? Aizen power is not a magic wand, but rather a unique combination of nature and science. It is infused with the power that our Mother Earth has given us: plant extracts, herbs, vitamins, and minerals. All these elements have been chosen very carefully and transformed into a formula that goes inside your body and gradually shows its effect. Now, there is a very deep thing here that you need to understand. We often want everything to be fixed overnight, but our body doesn't work like that. To see the effect of Aizen power, you will have to be patient. You have to take it daily, without fail. Because when you take it daily, your body starts absorbing these natural nutrients. I have seen that people often give up within a month, but the truth is that real change is seen between 3 to 6 months. When you do a 6-month course, the benefits stay with you for a long time. Your energy, your stamina, and that old spark start coming back. Imagine it like a sleeping lion that someone has awakened. It improves your libido and sex drive so much that you will be amazed yourself. But it is very important to take care of one thing. These days, many fake products are available in the market. So if you are thinking of taking Aizen Power, then buy it only and only from its official website. I have put the link in the description box so that you don't get cheated. The best part is that it has no side effects because it is 100% natural. And if for some reason you feel that it is not working for you, you can ask for your money back within 60 days. Just think about it. You have nothing to lose, but you have a whole new and better life to gain. Now is the time to prioritize your happiness. If you think this information can be useful to someone, then do share it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to Review Bank because we talk about things here that make your life better. Comment and tell me how you liked this video and if you have ever tried such natural solutions. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and always stay confident.